your videos yao Tene tago gods must be crazy meho obeta watia muthoni aya maruga kila kitu
adudu kwena
leo acio maruga bea makaruga morari moraro makaruga ginya guru yes adudu kwe adudu kwe kwe ndio na iyo ndio yatura iro rugongo toikara ta andu acio tutoikai.
You are in the dark.
Kiria kingiara hiria andu witu ne kwara tukiriania maundu mari
maundu tamau.
Yes, because millennials especially where America makuma 35 kwa batana huko. Yes, they can tell you gesa gigia kwao marererwo ko na maigana na mau maitura matare maigwa ati nigukite andiki a mohoro kuhunga
ati
gwetha mohoro
itura kwanyu kaigwa ati nigukite andiki a mohoro.
What I'm saying is rugongo gutiare anything newsworthy.
That was very rare.
No, the few times okay when go kandikia mohoro it was big news.
Ati andikia mohoro kwanyu itura.
Yes.
Matuko macio.
Ndungiaiguire.
Ai.
Well, some few kuria safaira le ciageraga ri
sitana choka na Ivasha.
They would very occasionally see a news team na muno ni athungu. Yes. Now no andu mauga marahuro bica cigira kiatia
sikendio.
I don't know what made them think those were very valuable. What maybe they were. No ni nyemuno gia no mothi ni kuigwa mwandiki wa mohoro kwandikire ka undu gicami. Yes,
in a few moments he is there.
Yes,
no horo kamemerekio thi ngima
ni general China ni ku mohoro tene mohoro manyu maikara namo mo macie na micene
whatever happened within your locality.
Yes,
inyu no nyu mwamenyaga hau.
Yes, the only time you would make news is when there was everything was blown out of proportion. Yes, kana ku out break mo contain
mo quarantine
ando igiona aria mathomira journalism America baya maituri.
Yes,
equipment is your machine for the first time
magithoma.
Yes.
Rie taru matuko ma primary school ri.
Yes,
if I ever remember seeing andiki a mohoro ni hindi mweshimu wa JJ Kamotho ndi wari MP witu na minister wa githomo hindi okite gwitu thukuru na agiuka na andiki a mohoro KBC.
Yes,
that is the only time I remember giona andiki a mohoro.
Yes. There are people who never had that opportunity ever. Mona ndekia mohoro huku moka kia matawa hatuike uone kamera ona kuria andu mari riri the cloud chasers ri kwi mathiana ka notebook andu makauga ati akoro kwa gatheti
ate andikagira ngatheti.
Well, andu acio mabacie kuriho ni a National Standard tondu mapusha sales tondu ni mauga ati urai tuyo
tukeona ngatheti-ini
okana gafuku auka witagwo atia
rahabu arau
we murimi wa iria
ni magairia guku ndiri twendagie no
ito ndiri anyu
ndiri no itagwo gikuo
iria anyu mwetagiria u
turi atho
kumutiria njire
turi atho thaite ithui ya arimi aguku
thirikari ri ugu ramutwara ri mwone thiete wega
sa itutwarite uru muno.
Okay, ni sawa. Thank you. Ugara hafu.
Barau na ukandika ni ndauga uguo.
Thank you. Yende muthuri. Yende muthuri.
Yetagwo Justice.
Ciana.
Kirimi.
Aya sawa.
Tukonwo ri.
Tondu kuna mohoro maingĩ bangĩte ri ni mukarora tariki 13 Thursday
andika wa mase tariki 10 ogue tariki 13
Thursday
niro tukono gatheti-ini
ne tugathie na mbiri. Well, those people are still waiting to be published. Oh, those people would you know. Oh, no gatheti.
Akoro kwa gatheti.
The idiot has no clue. Not even in the fourth estate.
The cloud chaser.
Riu hare gwanjirie kwarahukira ri ni hare hokire kamera icietagwo mini DV. Ni the mini DV camera. He kamera iho ya harukagio ta glove. Wakanyita atia?
Wakanyita na guoko kumwe.
Na ndora moya na koma na ata mena mucinga. Riu andu mauga uria kogwa fio keji.
Oguo no atuetu no bururi mugima
akaigua akagarura andu ta mutura wa ihi rau hena kiruru ka
na ni gwathika
wega biu. Okay, ndi sawa kana nyambe ndi yoge
ni to kauma twi na giko
oi ne mukona methina aya ana mawoni maku atira kigokoro
turaria gikuyu kana githwairi
okiria kuigua mukuru
twanjie na gikuyu
ajia na gikuyu
Kenya mbie kiu nikio njitheragia turenda kuga atiriri tari miatha thaiti ino ni tukurega pio kuhinyiririo
Kenya ongerere uga gitawa Priscilla mukami wa Ngoigo ndi muikua ciana 4 Kristo ni muhonokia wa ngoro yakwa ni ngwenda nyambe njuge uga ni kameme kari kwaka ate
ni TV
ole TV. Oh, thank you. Njuge turi ahinyiriria muno tondu bebe turaria mukohoro iria ne turacoka kuregerwo muno tukirora twikirite mai na ne maeni kamacini kau marathima nako niko turauga ti kega kaguo turorerwo hau na tuge please mundu uria ukoragwo wi mujumbe guku akinyirwo ni ati tutiramucokia. Then you let the guy go. Do you think you are going to become world news? Mari go thekerera na muka.
Adora maire mekwe ori. Ni mabati mame publish nao.
That was our data. Kwajeria kwena etoatia. You know there was the turia uhoro there was the first event iria wakora iria cia mbere rugongo kugia na video coverage. Ni amwekithagia minyonyo.
Kumwatha.
Oka hau iko aya. Koroga. Uruga. Baba si urerwa uruge
kiuruga ngire
urugo keinaga aya kana torogera sube siuma nago aya saka okan ana torogerera aya vamo kimona kima ali hari adhuri aya namia motogi yogia rakaita kiathe kidogo. Thank you sawa umo kwazi wazo kawale ho wauma wathronga andu ku
meona
aya wacheira. That was the only time grown men would come into the sitting room.
Meone
to TV direka atia
deriu maja
ita mekuaje katole ukali
orerai
haya no ke o kirathi mandathimi hari akire marigo ni kakundu guku githakara ndithuroka hangi nditokura wange
mwena ho
ndiketugia terere
Jeremia aririe ni mwekirire
Aya yo keu kiande. Oh, people used to be wild. And we used to think everyone with a camera is a journalist. Kwa jere mokini yesi sigagirwo haha
kiande
etamata camera person yo wa oko gwito
muyupi
the gentleman aitwa nani ndio mnendanga naye kwa ng'ombe kamacha not that one ule wa video ule okuwa live view the Francis kwa jere umuntu ine yakuira ha kiande azokia hili ithore mwe mwakiona ale mwatwaro CNN
na no kamera nacio ciarĩ nene
ira kiande ha kwa jere mukona ati agitengerania na ngari cio hiki no those ito twana dudu kwe akana dudu kwe
like mira 50
so madu by the other day
ngigira harĩa